Hey there, adventurers! Check out the Sea to Summit Alpha Lightweight Aluminum Camping Cookpot, perfect for your outdoor cooking needs. Made from hard-anodized aluminum, this pot is strong, scratch-resistant, and built to last through all your camping trips. It features a newly updated pivot-lock secure handle with a silicone grip that folds away for easy packing and transport. The pot has a large internal radius, making it easy to clean and efficient for nesting with other cookware from the Alpha and Delta series. You'll love the EasyFlow strainer lid, designed for efficient draining and equipped with an integrated lid keep to keep dirt away. Available in multiple sizes, the 1.9-liter model weighs just 8.1 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to carry. Whether you're backpacking or car camping, this cookpot is a reliable and practical choice for your outdoor kitchen. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.